Hello everyone, our group is Genshin Startup and my name is Amar.
I will now do an introduction and overview of our visit to UTM Digital. So UTM Digital is essentially the digital branch of UTM. They deal with a lot of the digital stuff. They maintain all the digital services. These are the core functions of UTM Digital. So before we had our physical visit, we had a virtual talk on UTM Digital that was held on WebEx on the 5th of December 2023 from 3 to 5 p.m. So we also had after that we had the visit to UTM Digital. Of course, it was at UTM Digital on the 19th of December 2023, and it took place from 2 to 5 p.m.
Hello, my name is Nazmi Haika bin Khairul.
I am going to present about the details of UTM Digital. This is the structure of UTM Digital. UTM Digital is conducted under one director, which is Mr. Nikama Izzuddin Ibrahim, and he supervises 5 different subsections, which are Division of Digital Strategy, Division of Digital Architecture, Division of Digital Innovation, Department of Digital Service UTM.
So my first question is that can you briefly explain your job prospect?
First of all, my name is Asila Aris. I'm a senior IT officer in UTM Digital. So I'm in charge of digital care unit. As I mentioned earlier, my team is the frontliners of UTM Digital. They receive and tackle the ICT issues with our student and staff. So I'm the one who managing and monitored those processes involved in the digital care unit. Okay.
So the question number 2 is what do you think of the current state of your department's work? Do you think it is still developing or it is already a stable department?
I think we are still developing because I think in ICT industry the technologies keep changing. So I think we are stable, but we need to move forward with new technologies. That's why we do collaboration with industry, so we can explore and use the technology in UTM. So I think we have several successful projects. I think UTM Smart, we have been using the UTM Smart. It's a mobile app. I think it's very useful for students, right?
Yeah, right. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much.
Hi, I am Chua Zhenyi. I am going to present the content of the virtual talk on UTM Digital with the title of Our Digital University Driver Talk. This talk was held on 5th December 2023 at 3 p.m. through online via WebEx about 2 hours. This virtual talk was conducted by the staff from UTM Digital to introduce UTM Digital. First and foremost, the first session of talk was about UTM Digital Service. I have learned about the vision and mission of UTM Digital and several ICT services provided by UTM Digital. For example, UTM ID and UTM System. For your information, UTM ID is a unique ID provided to register students for authenticating them before accessing ICT application and services. We also learned about digital care works as assisting in UTM ID and emails, account, and system technical problems. The second session of talk was about digital infrastructure. We have learned about UTM Data Center and the services provided by data centers such as virtual private server, VPS, cloud service, and co-locations. Next, the third session of talk was about UTM networking. From the talk, we know that the current UTM network architecture is 3-tier, which ensure us can experience a stable and fast speed of UTM's Wi-Fi services. There are several projects they are conducting now, such as internet, CCTV, and fast synchronization. Then, the fourth session of talk was about ICT security management. We have learned about the internet management, internet security, cyber command, and the working principle are by correlating with NGIF, IAM, and endpoint. The last session of talk was about project management and system development in UTM. We have learned about the importance of agile method compared to waterfall method. Besides, we also learned about the tips for application development, tool scale, commitment, policy, and so on. In conclusions, this talk has made us have a better understanding about what actually UTM Digital works for. From this talk, I am impressed and proud for the UTM Data Center because it is only the one among public university that have a certificate of conferences constructed facility rated 3 data center. Thank you.
Good evening and good evening, and today I will share about the conclusion and reflection after taking part in the vision call and meeting group UTM Digital. As a year 1 student, I will say that this event is very helpful for us. This is because after taking part in the vision call, we can know many services that provided by the UTM Digital such as the UTM Wi-Fi, Microsoft 365, and also UTM ID. And after visiting the UTM Digital, we can know that the work of every department and also the concept of their office and the data center. And in a conclusion, I'm very happy to join this meaningful program. This is because the staff in UTM Digital are very friendly and patient who explain everything to us. And this also gives us a chance to let me learn more about the extra knowledge like the way they used to protect the data center. And I really hope that there are more events like this can be held in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.